All right, guys, this is a leftover from Black Friday. For $169, you're going to get two 5.0 M18 batteries and the Packout battery storage set. So what that looks like is this right here. So you're going to get the two batteries and you're going to get this Packout storage set. Now what a lot of my buddies have been doing is screwing this to the wall or attaching it to the top of their job boxes with magnets or double-sided tape, whatever, and getting these two batteries essentially for free. Just the storage kit I think is like $100, and then the batteries are way more than that. So essentially you're going to get a battery and a storage system for free. But this will keep you nice and organized in your shop, in your job box or game box, or just simply on your Packout. So this is a leftover from Black Friday, and it's only while supplies last. So if you like the Packout battery storage set and you want two batteries pretty much for free, then check it out at Home Depot only. This is at Home Depot only, and only while supplies last. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all our future videos, and have a great day.